Hello students, welcome to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video class. In today's class we will study compound adjectives. There is a separate playlist on adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are compound adjectives? Compound. The name itself suggests that it is made up of two or more elements. So, an adjective that is made up of two or more adjectives are known as compound adjectives, and these are often hyphenated, and some of them are unhyphenated also, that we will be discussing in the later part of this video. So most of it are hyphenated. Let's have a look at some examples. 8 are week. So week is a noun. 8 are is a compound adjective which is describing the week. Okay, 8 are week. Similarly, well known actor. What kind of actor? Actor is a noun. Well known. So this is another compound adjective, well known. Part time worker. Worker is a noun. Part time here is again a compound adjective. Now here the next example, all too common error. How is the error? All too common. All too common is a compound adjective which is made up of three adjectives. The next example before you all is brightly lit room. Brightly lit room. So how's the room? It is brightly lit. The next example is deep rooted tradition. What kind of traditions? Deep rooted. So deep rooted is an adjective describing the noun traditions. Okay, so the next and the most common examples that we use during rainy season is waterlogged streets. Waterlogged streets. Streets is a noun and the description is that it is waterlogged. So waterlogged hyphenated compound adjective. So therefore compound adjectives are those adjectives which are hyphenated and are made up of two or more adjectives. They are unhyphenated also. Compound adjectives without a hyphen. In this particular slide we are going to learn that the compound adjectives which are made without the use of a hyphen, these are actually those adjectives in which the first adjective in the compound is having ly at the end, right? So therefore it does not need a hyphen. Have a look at this example, brightly lit. In this compound adjective the first adjective is ly and therefore we do not need to hyphenate it. So the similar example is heavily accented, comfortably settled, happily married. All these are what? All these are compound adjectives. No nouns are attached. We can attach nouns to them. For example, brightly lit room, heavily accented policeman, comfortably settled dog, happily married people. So we have added nouns and made it look lively and attractive. So that was all about compound adjectives. So dear students, this section brings an end to today's video class. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lightup Knowledge. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box for you to check. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing.